The Bakırköy Chief Public Prosecutor's Office has sent a petition to the Ministry of Justice, requesting that it ask Interpol to issue a red notice for 2 former prosecutors who had taken part in graft investigations and who allegedly fled the country after warrants were issued for their detention. The former prosecutors, Zekeriya and Celal, reportedly traveled to Armenia via Georgia. Detention warrants were issued last week for and Mehmet Yüzgeç, all former prosecutors who took part in corruption investigations implicating several members of then Prime Minister Recep Tayyip Erdoğan's family, his inner circle and 4 former ministers. The investigations were made public on December 17 and 25, 2013. The prosecutor's office requested that the Bakırköy Second High Criminal Court order the arrest of the 3 on charges of forming an illegal organization, attempting to topple or incapacitate the government through the use of force or coercion, and preventing the government from performing its duties partially or completely. Business associates close to the Justice and Development Party, AK Party, the 4 then ministers and sons of 3 were detained on December 17, 2013 on charges of corruption. Last October, Prosecutor Ekrem Aydınlar dropped the case against the suspects, claiming there were no grounds for legal action against them. On May 12 of this year, the Second Chamber of the Supreme Board of Judges and Prosecutors, HSYK, voted to disbar and Yüzgeç and Prosecutor Muammer Akaz, as well as a judge, Süleyman Karakol. The board's members were quick to deny that any political influence had affected their decision. Since the investigations were made public, Erdoğan has sought to discredit prosecutors and police officers that were involved, accusing them of attempting to oust the AK party from power. They and tens of thousands of other prosecutors and officers have been reassigned. The government has also accused a so-called parallel state or parallel structure of masterminding the investigations in an attempt to topple the government. The terms are used in government and pro-government circles to refer to the faith-based Gülen movement, inspired by Turkish Islamic scholar Fethullah Gülen, which strongly denies the accusations.